Hey, how's it going? My name is Dakota. I own and operate DR Digital Development, a full-service web development and design agency focusing on the Shopify platform. Today I want to do a video on a topic that I've recently seen some posts about, people looking for solutions, and it has to do with sorting collections using product tags in Shopify. Some themes come with an ability to already sort these tags, but when you enable it, every tag that you have for a product in that collection shows up as an option to filter the collection. Sometimes that's just way too much. It looks clunky. You're using tags for different parts of your store workflow, and you might just want to limit it to on specific collections to just a handful of tags. This all started with this Shopify guide to enabling filtering on collections. So, like I said, some themes already have it. This essentially shows you how to set it up as either a drop down or as radio buttons. So I've gone ahead and done the copy pasting for this, and I'll link the URL to this guide in the description. But essentially, if your theme already allows for tag filtering, you can enable it by going into your admin section, select customize, navigate to the collection pages, and then you should see an area that says enable filtering by product tag. If you check it, you should get a drop down or something else that your theme already has available. In my case, I wanted to use the radio button, so I will uncheck the filtering by product tag so that I can use the radio buttons instead. Pretty simple to get this up and running. First thing you'll do is there's this snippet of JavaScript that you will have to, let me navigate back here. Boom, boom, boom. Go back to your theme admin, actions, edit code. And in your theme.liquid, you will just paste that right before the closing body tag. That's it. Then if you're doing the drop down, you'll look at this section. If you use the Brooklyn theme, here's what you use. Jumpstart here. Other themes, this is what you want. I wanted the radio buttons, so I copied all of this. I'm not using either of those two themes. Other themes, go back and you'll just look under templates for your collection.liquid, and you will paste this right above this section tag right here. And once you do that, you'll have fancy radio buttons to filter your collection by. Alright, and so for our next step is we want to limit the tags that are being shown to filter by. So for this example, we only want the all button, we want casual, and we want collar. So going back here, this is the write-up I did about it. Essentially, what we're going to need to do is navigate back to our themes code, and we are going to specifically look for this section for tag and collection.all tags if current tags contains tag. Going back here, we're going to replace this with only assigning the specific tags that we want shown. So if I copy and then paste, and then the tags we said we want is casual and collar. It is case sensitive, so make sure that you type it in all lowercase or uppercase, however you have it shown in your tags. Back here, change this to casual and this to collar. We'll click save, and then navigate back here, refresh, and we have the two tags that we want people to be able to sort by. That's it. Pretty easy. The rest of this post goes into explaining how to do this same thing for multiple collections so that you can have different tags filtering the different collections. Pretty straightforward. There's only an addition of another if clause, and there's also the final versions for whether you selected the drop down or radio buttons. I hope that you found this somewhat helpful. I'm hoping to do more videos going forward on topics that I see people having issues with, and hopefully we can provide some solution. Again, I'm going to link all of the URLs to my blog post plus the Shopify guide, and feel free to drop anything in the comments if you have any questions still. Thanks for watching.